Hello, welcome to Property Brokers Country Autumn Newsletter. My name's Conrad Wilkshire and I'm the General Manager for Property Brokers Rural. And it's my opportunity really just to give a quick introduction and a bit of background on the market, which kicked obviously in the spring, went through into the summer, and we're now heading into the autumn program. Interesting, the weather has featured a lot this season, and attitudes and sentiments. It was probably the wettest spring on record, to then the driest November, and now moisture levels through March up around the country are probably ahead of normal. So it has been a real seasonal roller coaster. And in some ways, the rural market has sort of followed those ebbs and flows. The good news is the market is solid, good farms are selling well, but the approach from times past and just doing what we've always done isn't going to be the formula that gets the best result for our vendors. In fact, actually what we've seen this season more than any other is the power of a real team approach to marketing rural properties. And by that I mean it's not just one agent but a whole team that gets in behind our listings and promotes the properties, be it a dairy farm, a sheep farm, in the cases where we do get involved in like the Hawke's Bay, horticulture farms as well, horticulture growing farms. So when I look back at the market now and look to the future, one thing I can say for certain is that there's always going to be ebbs and flows with dairy payout. There's always going to be a lot of seasonality, and there's always going to be the droughts and things to manage, particularly from the dry stock business operations. What I can say, and without question, is that the commitment of the team to manage your selling expectations and to get alongside your farm starting this autumn and setting up next spring is very much front and centre of our thinking, and we welcome the opportunity to get alongside your properties and get an early start ahead of the next season.